Okay, there's a quick Sawyer Mini hack I want to show you. So I've got Sawyer Mini rigged up to the squeeze dispenser. And I've also got a second Sawyer Mini rigged up in line in my hydration system. And this one's blocked, right? So normally you unblock it with your syringe. Just wanted to show you a trick. First I'm going to put a rubber band around that section there just to block the hose off so I won't get water coming out, because there's about 6 litres inside this MSL drometer. Can you see that through?
Yes, we see.
Back. So I've now got the hydration hose. That's the inlet section, that's the outlet. So I'm taking my drinking nozzle off. I'll then plug in the second Sawyer Mini. So now instead of backflushing using the syringe, I just backflush using a second Sawyer Mini. Now watch this. The dirty water will come out of there. Shit. Thick. Oh yuck, look at that. That is so blocked. Look at that.
Yucky
Look at that, Cams. Look at that filthy.
Water.
Get close, get close.
Filthy water, shit.
Back up.
It's yucky. It's like a mud.
I must say it's a little bit easier backflushing it with the syringe, but just a second way of doing it. There it goes. The other option is you just plug in your syringe into there. Try that again. There we go, look at that. Getting closer. Look at that. Using this technique, you can backflush a much larger quantity of water at once. I must admit that I have to apply quite a lot of pressure on the squeeze bag. There we go. And then just rig it back up. We've got a bit of water flow, more than we had before. I think when we reach the campsite tonight, I'll have to thoroughly backflush the block Sawyer Mini with some warm water. It's another technique, is just use hot water, backflush it again. So just a quick trick, if you don't have your syringe out when you're camming, but you do have a second Sawyer Mini,